Now, if we want to see all the details of the document, who is the author name, how many characters are used, how many paragraphs, lines are there, how much time we did spend on this particular document, we can easily see this. There's a special option for that in the file menu. We can go to this info area. From here, we can see all the details about this document. So we have the properties here. Now here on the left hand side, we can only see the file name, and properties are pretty simple. We have the title, which is blank. We have related dates and author and all. But if we go to the properties and click on advanced properties, we can see all of the details. This is about the general section where we see the file details, the location and the size and all. And here you can specify the title, the subject, the author, manager, company, keywords, and you can even save this for thumbnails for all the documents. So it will use the same summary in all of your documents. We can see the statistics, how much total editing time we spent on this document, how many revisions are made, and who saved it last. How many paragraphs, page, lines, words, characters are used in this particular document. You can see the content details, custom and all. So here we can write the author name like this, and we can mention a title, a subject, and all the details like that. Click OK, and you can see the author name right here as well. Now what happens is, if we save this on the desktop and we want to check the properties, whenever we right click to check the properties, we can see all of the details right here, the author name, the last saved, and all the details if we mentioned it in the document. So this is how you can add those titles, subject, tags and all. So if you have a specific requirement like this, especially if you're writing a book or an article, you might need all of this information. So this is how you put it. So just practice this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.